Hello, in this video, we'll be using Array in React. The following are the sections for this video. First, we will move our data to an array. Then, we'll be passing those data to a component using the map method. Lastly, we will add conditional return to our method just in case the array is empty. If you want to follow along, which I recommend, you can download the code from this GitHub repository. The link will be provided in the video description below. So this is the same code as we used before. So let's run this application, control tilde, cd props, then npm start. So the application simply displays the list of membership tiers. Okay, now let's go to membership list. And then we can see here that in the membership list, we have various ways of passing the values to the component. First, we pass hard code it, and then we create an object and pass the values to the component. So we'll change the approach. So we'll remove this first, remove all the hard coding. Okay, including this one also. So what we're trying to do here is making the role of the component distinct, which is just to list the membership. Okay, now let's go to app.js. This is where we call the membership list. So here we will create an array. So const initial membership list. Then open an array. We'll set this. So we'll add an ID. So this will be the membership code, just to have a unique identifier. Silver. And the title, instead of name, we'll just change the title. Silver. And then description. Customer accumulating 100. Spent. Enjoy 2% discount. Okay. We'll close this, comma, and then I'll just paste the others. Okay. Remove this extra comma. Okay, so we have silver, gold, and platinum. Okay, next we'll be passing the initial membership list to the membership list. So memberships equal, so memberships plural, and then pass in the initial membership list. Okay. Okay, now let's go back to the membership list. We process in the props we got from the app.js. So props. And then here we want to list out the memberships. So props that membership dot map. So we'll be using the map statement. So here we have the membership goes to okay. So we'll pass this to the component, so we can choose from membership item A or B. Membership item A has name and description. Membership item B has membership in it. So then it will pass to name and description. So since we changed the title already, so we just replace title. Here title also. So I'll use the membership item B first, so that we just pass the whole object instead of item per item. Okay, so here let's go membership item B. So I'll remove this. So membership equals membership. Okay, then let's close this. Okay. Okay, so now let's refresh the page. If it did not auto refresh, so you can see that it changed a bit because we did not add the diamond, but the output is still the same. So now let's check let's press F12. You can see here there's a lag that the key prop is missing. Should have a unique value. So let's update the code to resolve this issue. So I'll just correct myself here. The one we saw earlier is just a warning, not an error. So now to resolve this, we add the key here. Key equals membership dot membership code. Okay. Okay, going back to the application, the warning is gone. Okay, so now let's add the handling if there is no membership available. So if props.memberships.length equals 0, then return h2 no membership tier available. Okay, let's save that. Now let's go back to app.js, wherein we have the membership list, and then temporarily cut this, save. So now you can see that instead of the tier list, no membership tier available is now shown. Okay, now let's return the list. Just Ctrl Z, save. Let's go back to the page, and now we can see again the tier list. So to summarize, this is how we created an array. So we also learned how to use the Array.Map and also to add conditional return to our component just in case there's no membership available. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notification icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.